Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add text in LibreCAD. It's pretty straightforward, so let's get straight into it. So you need to have opened up your project in LibreCAD. Now to place the text, you will see right here at the left side one toolbar with some options. And right over here, you will see ABCDF. Uh, Click on that, and here it will open up a text window. Now you can type in here for I will say like hello example, like so. Then we can change font if you want. So I can go with maybe doesn't matter now. So I will take this one. Then we have height. We can set up then alignment. So I will put here it's center. Then we have top, bottom, left, angle. So I can 45 like so. You can also insert Unicode, but we will leave that as it is now. When you are happy with it, just hit OK. And as you can see, now we have options that we place text right here. And now we have text in our project. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.